What is this? Wow.
Put it in onion and then you eat it on your mouth.
Yeah, ganyan lang.
Huwag mo yung kuhaan.
Ano lasa?
Yan, masarap yan.
Sarap? Oh, see, masarap din eh.
Nice.
So, oh, Dutch food. Haring. Sarap? Very good? Perfecto.
Lekker.
Yan, oh, yan. Uy! Masarap?
Lekker.
Lekker. Gusto din naman talaga ni Baron yung.
Tamis. Para siya ano.
Rate 1 to 10.
9.
Lekker.
Wow. So very good.